Vanakkam and good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the 39th annual general meeting of Ilangai Tamil Sangam America. We have completed our 39th year with great success and accomplishments as we have done it since our inception in 1977. Our 39th AGM is dedicated to two of our founding members who passed away last year, Dr. Anandan Sachi and Dr. Appaiah Balasundaram. Though Dr. Sachi and Dr. Balasundaram have left us, their legacies will be remembered and cherished for generations to come and reflect the unity and strength of the Ilangai Tamil community in the United States. Remembering their vision and guidance for our organization, we have continued our operations. We are pleased to report that Sangam continued to make significant achievements in promoting Tamil arts, language and culture in the United States among the Tamil residents. This year, with the goal of having one common festival for all Tamil Americans, we initiated Pongal Villa celebrations in the Tri-State area, and we have successfully hosted 3 programs. In the future, we will work with Tamil American organizations outside the Tri-State area also to celebrate this festival on a common day with a common objective in preserving our identity as Tamil Americans. Sangam also continued its tradition of hosting our annual cultural show, the Kalai Villa. This year, over 100 students from New York and New Jersey participated in our Kalai Villa. We also started a Tamil school in Staten Island, New York this year. This is our second successful beginning after we helped started a Tamil school in northern New Jersey last year. Our Tamil schools and our cultural shows provide a platform for the young Tamil Americans to showcase their talent and continue their learning in Tamil arts, language and music. Finally, our essay writing competition started here in this venue 4 years back with just 13 students, now expanded to 6 locations in 4 states with 150 students participating in our competition. In the near future, to be precise, by our 45th anniversary in 2022, we will make this a national competition with recognition from national institutions. As we continue to build and expand this nationwide cultural network across multiple states among Tamil communities, we want to assure our members that Ilangai Tamil Sangam America will relentlessly and tirelessly promote Tamil arts, language and culture in the United States. By promoting Tamil language and culture, we did not forget our duty to our people in the north and east of Sri Lanka. Sangam has continued its 3 decades-old tradition of providing humanitarian aid to our people. This year, we executed many projects that helped improve the lives of former freedom fighters who were disabled and who needed desperate help, school children from poor families in eastern Sri Lanka, and war widows who needed help. We want to thank our sister organization, NowWow, for helping us in implementing these projects. Under our Education and Sports Development Initiative, we started another project under the guidance of our former Olympian, Dr. Edir Veerasingham, to provide world-class training to Tamil athletes in north and east of Sri Lanka. We also started another multi-year mega project that will provide solar-powered lamps for 1,000 war-affected families in eastern Sri Lanka. You could see the beneficiaries of some of the projects of our projects in the walls of this auditorium. We have posters posted there. Now, these are not multi-million-dollar projects. We understand that. But these projects do make a difference in people's life back home. After 40 years of freedom struggle and a brutal war, Tamil areas in the north and east are in dire need of reconstruction and redevelopment. Vast areas are several decades behind in technology, healthcare and social services. These carpet roads they have paved and the luxury hotels they have built will not lead to sustainable redevelopment. The drug proliferation instituted by the military brass and the high unemployment among the young youth will not rebuild a society with high moral and values. As our ancestors said, Suvarirundalthan Sitharam Varaya Mudiyum. Only a socially vibrant, economically viable and self-sustaining Tamil community can rebuild itself from this disastrous situation and rebuild and face a future disasters, whether human or man-made. We ask all Tamil Americans to join us, the Sangam, Navao, and other organizations at this critical juncture in our life of our people back home to provide the necessary help to help our people in this rebuilding and reconstruction effort. Finally, Sangam continued its tireless efforts of several decades in protecting the human rights and the freedom of Tamil-speaking people in Sri Lanka. We have continued our work together with our sister organizations, USD-PAC, TGTE, WTO, and PEARL. Our guest of honor, Honorable Judge Pillai, will speak to us on this topic shortly. But on behalf of Ilangai Tamil Sangam, an organization that has been fighting for Tamil rights since 1977, we want to state clearly that given the evidence, it is our strong conviction that war crimes and crimes against humanity were committed against the Tamil civilians in northern east of Sri Lanka, and only an independent international investigation will bring peace and justice to the traumatized and helpless victims, in which many of them are women and children. Internationally, ladies and gentlemen, living in the United States, we all know the no means no standard. The no means no standard that protect our women and children here in the United States should be the same no means no standard that should be protecting every Tamil speaking woman in Sri Lanka, and there's no exception to that rule. No matter how you look, where you are from, and what language you speak. Internationally banned weapons cannot be used by any government in the world, including the government of Sri Lanka. There is no exception to that rule either. Ethnic cleansing cannot be tolerated anywhere in the world, including the Tamil homeland in the north and east of Sri Lanka. And there is no exception to that rule either. Exceptions cannot be made, rules of engagement cannot be broken, and atrocities cannot be committed on our people because they are Tamils. They are human beings. They are equal to other human beings. Like every other human being, they are entitled to justice, peace, freedom, and finally, a right to self-determination. Now, our welcome address is not intended to call for vengeance, violence, or another war. That's not our intention. We truly believe that wrong has been done to our people. And the right thing for us to do is to fight for, ask for, appeal for, and work for justice for our people. Now, with that, we'll close our welcome address. In closing our welcome address, as always, we seek your commitment, support, and encouragement to continue our activities and preserve this great Tamil American heritage, Ilangai Tamil Sangam, America. Long live the Ilangai Tamil Sangam, and glory to the Tamil language. Nandri Vanakkam.